Hey, drop top here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1966 Buick Skylark Grand Sport, convertible, real deal Grand Sport also. Numbers matching, 401 nailhead V8 underneath the hood, MR suffix go to the block, 325 horse, should be 445 pound-feet of torque, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. Let's go ahead and take a look at this chrome up front. Bumper's looking good. Of course, the Grand Sport grille. Quad headlight setup. Astro Blue D paint code. Trim code is 161, so blue vinyl interior. Now, as far as the paint, it shows well, but it does show its age a little bit. There's some spots where, I don't know what you want to call it, maybe just like a little bit of staining in it, if you will. Hey, still a car I'm going to take out and drive, have a lot of fun with. It's going to turn some heads, local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Check out the still pictures. I think you'll see what I'm talking about. You'll be able to see this car from every angle: underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, top up, top down. Still pictures can be seen. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on Krager SS wheels, Cooper Cobra radials, and just so you know, on the radial tires, 2020 date code, plenty of tread and life left in those. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Technician also noted the brakes are 75% in the front, 75% in the rear. You can see up and down this passenger side, there's no major nicks, dings, or scratches. It is a power top. We're going to run that up, show you how that functions, check out the condition of it. There's that blue vinyl interior, bench seat up front. Pretty stock looking dash. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. This is a nice sounding car too. And again, numbers matching. 401 nailhead. Of course, the Grand Sport or GS badging on it. Let's take a look at the chrome rear bumper. Dual exhaust, as you can see. Once again, all those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. There'll be over 100 pictures of this car online. And if you like these, you know, mid to late 60s, when the muscle car era started, if you like that type of car, just Buicks in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. That can be done online or right off our showroom floor. A little touch up, it looks like, right there in the middle of the door. But again, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. Convertible top cover looks good. I have not noticed any rips, tears, or holes in the vinyl seats. Door panels. Fold down armrest in that front bench seat. I have had the radio working, AM, FM radio. All right, let's fire this up. Of course, you gotta like this, the fold-out tissue holder. That would have been an accessory from Buick. The tri-shield on it. Radio, let's click that on, I can show you. Doesn't sound too bad for an old girl. Listen to that. This would be a fun car. Let's listen. All right, a little rumble coming out of that 401. Nice idle, a little Loby. Let's take a look underneath this hood, see how it looks. There's a look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. You'll be able to see the number stamped in with the still pictures from the engine. You're going to see the data tag or cowl tag, the bin tag, all of that will be in the still pictures. You can see power brakes, power steering, battery disconnect when it's in drive, or excuse me, when it's in storage or in between drives. And then you notice the Wildcat 445. So you Buick experts out there, am I correct? Is that the 445 pound-feet of torque? Because the cubic inches is 401. And horsepower on an MR suffix code block from 1966, I do believe should be 325 horse. Let me know, Buick experts. All right, let's get this convertible top up. I'll show you how it functions. We'll check out the condition of that. And then remember, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And convertible top up, as you can see, functions as it should. Nice tight fit above the windshield. White vinyl. Rolled the side glass up also, as you can see. Nice fit there. Obviously looks like a newer top. Yeah, look at the rear window, nice and clear. No rips, tears, holes, really any discoloration. A few wrinkles from just being folded up. Side glass, passenger side, great fit there too. Need this to keep you out of the sun or the rain. Gonna work just fine. And back above the windshield. So no surprises on the top. I will show you the top going back down and functioning into the storage compartment, just so you can see that it works. Then Jason's gonna take it for a drive. Nice looking 1966 Buick Skylark Grand Sport. Numbers matching nailhead, 401. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation in this vehicle, may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving what looks to me like a Buick Skylark Grand Sport convertible in a beautiful blue color inside and out. And as most Buicks, it runs great. Lots of power. Our turn signal indicators are working. Let's see how she does out on the road. Nice rumble coming from the back of this car. Steering feels nice and tight. Throttle response nice and crisp. The wipers work. The blower motor also works. And the radio even works. You do get a little bit of the typical wind noise from the quarter windows crack when open for a little ventilation. And that goes away. I love the quarter windows. I wish every new vehicle still had them. This is an automatic on the column, makes it super easy to drive. Down below we even have the add-on tissue holder. We do have the convertible top up today. That beautiful blue color is throughout this car. A little bit of black and chrome accents, but the seats have got the blue two-tone going on. Bench seat, front and back, fold down armrest in the middle. Over the front seat. We are clock equipped over here. The fuel gauge reads 3/4 of a tank and the speedometer works as it should. Appears to be reading the correct speed. Brakes nice and smoothly, quietly. That's one thing I'd say. Everything's quiet about this car. No rattles or squeaks or anything like that. And for a convertible, that is a rarity. Corners nicely. And you just heard it kick down. There's that awesome rumble. Sounds good, drives good, looks good. 1966 Buick. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.